Hello, this is 𝗙𝗚𝗂 Cooking and welcome back to my kitchen. So for today's video, I am going to cook a bell pepper fried rice. This is new to me. I just tried it once from KFC and I think I taste a bell pepper, so I tried it myself with Filipino breakfast. So here's how I did it. So in a wok or in a frying pan, we have to saute our onion and garlic. Then, tomato and bell pepper. Just let it cook properly until it becomes a little bit of mushy. Add salt and pepper, that would help to make it quick. Keep stirring it and make sure it's in a low-medium fire so you will not burn it. Then, you need to add a day-old rice. Day-old rice is better than a new cooked rice in making fried rice. Then keep stirring until it well incorporated. You can add more salt or pepper to taste. That depends on you. Just keep mixing it until it well incorporated. Then, once it's all done, you can add sunny side up egg, tocino, sausages, fried dried fish, or whatever side dish you wanted with it. Do a little bit of presentation and enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe 𝗙𝗚𝗂 Cooking.